Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for always tuning in to Ready Kid Foods, a channel of African traditional recipes, modern, easy recipes, breakfast tips, and so on. So, if at all you are new in this channel, please view my videos, consider subscribing, and for those who have already subscribed, please browse the membership pack so that you can always be a member and the notification bell as well. So otherwise, guys, today I'm back with this recipe, and I just want to make some simple rice. As you know, we have different ways of making rice, and the type of rice we are going to do is white vegetable rice. So please watch this video until the end and try it out. If at all you have not tried it out, try it out. And I'm going to serve my rice with some kind of stew. So watch this video until the end. You'll see this kind of stew that I'm going to serve. Thank you. So guys, I always talk of simple recipes. So this is the rice that I have. It is sunrise basmati rice that I have here. And the vegetables I'm going to use are not much. I'm just going to use some green peas here. And I have some carrots and salt to taste. And I'm going to use some vegetable salad. So keep tuned. I've just lit my pan and I've placed my pan. And now what I'm going to do, I'll just add some little vegetable oil to the pan. I will let my oil cook, so keep tuned and see next. My oil is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this green peas to it and my grated carrots. So guys, some people prefer boiling them, and if you boil them, they might not come out nice or tasty than blanching. So if you want to make very, very nice white rice, vegetable rice, please blanch, don't boil. So you blanch with some, not with the water, but with some vegetable oil. Remember, when we will be cooking the rice, we will not use a lot of oil, just some little oil for it not to stick, but because already I've used oil here. So keep tuned. So guys, you can see the green pepper and the carrots. So it is still cooking. So what you do, you keep on stirring, and to let it cook. And you'll see some oil, the oil draining. So don't let it overcook, but at least grind. So at this point now, you can add some little salt to it. If you want to make that white rice, remember we are talking of white rice, don't use any kind of spices. Just let it be like this. And as a reminder, I told you that you can also plant it using hot water. That's just boiling with water. But I find it more tastier when I use oil. So guys, my veggies are done. My veggies are done, and now I'm just going to chain them here, put them aside. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'll put this aside, and now I'm going to prepare my sunrise basmati rice. So keep tuned. This is 1 kg of rice. So what we are going to do, if you're making this kind of rice, if you want it to come out perfectly, you are supposed to be doing rice a ratio of 2 to 1. But for this one, we are going to use 1 to 1.5. So keep tuned. This is one jug, and half of it. So next thing what we are going to do, just to add little salt. Remember our veggies had salt, so you just put little salt. Then next, now we'll place it and let it boil. This is water for the rice, and let it boil. So keep tuned. The water is ready. Now I will add in my rice. Make sure you wash your rice well. Always advisable to use, if you have a leftover rice, we'll give the best rice. So far this is just okay, so give it a few minutes and then get back to it. Keep tuned. So guys, I have some bay leaf here. I love the aroma of bay. So guys, back to my rice. My rice is done. I'll just reduce the heat now. So what I'm going to do is now just reduce the heat so that it can dry up. So you can see how my rice is. So keep tuned, guys. My white rice is here, well cooked. And now here I have my vegetables. So I'm just going to mix everything. So remember it had some little oil. So I'll add that. And what you do, you add them simultaneously. So guys, you can look at my rice. So I'm going to serve it with some stew. So keep tuned. The white vegetable rice. You can see looking so nice. So nice, so nice. Mm. Mm. So guys, please, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's give it a try. And if you want to serve this, you can serve it with the different things. So just a moment and just keep tuning and see how I'm going to serve it. I'm going to serve it with some gizzard. Stewed gizzard. So guys, this is my recipe for supper, for dinner this evening. So tasty. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give my video a like, share as much as you can, and try it out. So let's meet in another video. Bye bye.